All right, looks like it is here for laptop rebuild, refurb. The title's going to be kind of long, but it's rebuild, refurb, re something. This is part two. The parts have just come in. I am ecstatic to see if everything. I just like fucking woke up because I sleep late, but I was like, oh crap, I forgot the packages are coming, and good thing the UPS and USPS guys know that we're always home, so they kind of just left it on the porch. But I mean, here it is. It's in its box. We're gonna go ahead and open it, and of course, it's got the anti-static, you know, uh, warning on there, so that's great. And anyway, let's go ahead and tear this open. Tape's on here somewhere, but I don't think I want to cut this. Maybe I will. Okay, well, I didn't notice that this wasn't here, so I took that from this. I'm glad I kept that. I don't know what it serves. It could be a Bluetooth module. It could be... I don't know. I have no idea what that is. I have no idea. No idea. There's nothing on it. But, hey, let's put this notebook together and see what happens. All right, hours later, I just kind of got off of work, and I didn't have enough time to kind of do a video and do a final overview on this machine. But my thoughts, this came together a lot better than I thought it was. I've had simple machines like this here. This machine has a motherboard, processor, a stick of RAM, and a CD drive in it, and I had more problems with that than I did this one. But this came together real nice. It's yeah, it came together real nice. It works. I went on the internet. Sound works. This speaker it's like popping. So you have something loud, it seems like it's like scratchy. So I have the speakers from the old computer down there, or from the old shell. I'll just, whenever I feel like it, just turn take those speakers out and install it here. But I mean, other than that, this came together real nice. It works great. Gets on the internet. I have the resolution set to something optimal. Yeah, it's not super widescreen. It's actually kind of a it's not. I wouldn't say 16:9. It's more of a like a 12:9, or not even a 12:9. It's more like a 12:6 or something, because it's not that wide yet. This screen is actually 1280 by 720 native. That's what it wants to use, but it will actually go higher with no problem. Things will just look really tiny. This thing was actually displaying at 1920 by 1200 like this morning. I'm like, oh hell no, not on this display. Plus that'll burn the battery, and the graphics card's gonna be power hungry. And I said no. So I set it to 1600 by 900, I think. No, 1440 by 900. That's what I have it set at, and it looks great. YouTube plays a lot better now. I turned down some of those NVIDIA optimized settings, and I'm so glad I didn't download, or I wasn't able to download the new NVIDIA drivers to work with this. This laptop's so old, they wouldn't even work, because this is a Windows Vista machine that had, originally a Windows XP machine. You're supposed to put Vista on it, not Windows 7, but I got the drivers from Dell and they work perfectly. Perfect. If you go to NVIDIA's website, they don't work, because they just don't. So, and I'm glad, because I didn't want GeForce Experience, but I'm talking too much. I'm excited. I have a computer to take on the go again. No, it's not anything special. I'm lucky if I can edit a song on this thing, but I could tell you one thing it's going to do. It's going to work. It's going to turn on. It's going to be reliable, like it always has been. It's a Dell business class, old model. Used to be business class like 100 years ago, but it's got a Core 2 Duo. See, Centrino Duo. Oh, that didn't work. Centrino Duo. See, that means 2 cores. 2. All right, damn it. Okay, well, that's it. I'm done. This laptop's put together, and I'm gonna go ahead and just enjoy my laptop. I have a new old laptop. Oh yeah, from have a whole thing of screws that it's not quite tightened up yet. I didn't put all the screws back in. CMOS battery if I need one. Oh, screws. And there's the old heatsink if I need it, but oh yeah, here's the extra wireless cards I have from the old laptop. And yeah, whatever. Okay, there we go. That's the end. That's the end of my video. I don't have any credits, but that's it. Cool. An update on the laptop, because I'm actually editing this video, and there's been changes since I last recorded this video. So I added an SSD to the machine. I actually removed the hard drive and put an SSD in here. It's only a 60 gig, but it's for the sake of this computer being more efficient. Both of the batteries are running full-fledged, and I couldn't be happier. This thing, it starts up quickly. It's very energy efficient. Actually, let me go ahead and turn it on power saver.
It's actually it's on balance right now, so that's fine. But the battery life is unbelievable with this. Unbelievable. The SSD uses like almost no power. There's no moving parts. And just to let you know that I'm using an SSD, let me just give you a little bit of a demo. It's a very heavy laptop, so I gotta grab it by the back. But I'm just gonna shake it a little bit. I've only got one hand. I can't do it, but I can't really prove that I'm running an SSD. Uh, but anyway, it's an SSD, and if you shake a laptop, you'll probably hear a head crash, or you'll probably see a blue screen, or if you drop it on the corner, the SSDs are a lot better. Um, they'll last a lot longer. And this is a new SSD. This thing will probably outrun this computer, and I might not rebuild it just because time and not even money. There was a $20 motherboard that was. But the thing is, this machine will run Windows 7. Windows 7 will continue to get updates for quite some time, and that's it. This machine was well worth it, and taking this thing on the go, I'll feel very confident that I'll have enough battery power to charge my or to keep my laptop going on a very long trip, or if I'm going downtown, I don't need to worry about the drive, the battery draining. If I'm in a meeting, actually I always want to keep this on the charge because just in case the power goes out, I want to be able to power this laptop on and have my AT&T hotspot and still have some sort of internet access. But other than that, that's my final update on this machine. It's running great. I've got all my applications that I want on here, and Windows 7 rocks and Windows 8 sucks. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for any of my upcoming videos and tutorials.